everyone. So in this video we are going to demonstrate you how you can create wireframe or the web UI using the artificial intelligence using llama3 and Chatgpt OpenAI. So let me put a prompt here. Create a login form with email ID and password. So I entered the prompt and let me see how it works. So you can see it created the email and password, so it's pretty good. So let me change again the prompt. Create a login form with email and ID and password. Also user can login with OTP. So let me try. So you can see here it's pretty smart in that way. Login form, email ID, password or OTP. So it's pretty professional in terms of UI and it's very good in that way. So let me ask a complicated question, complicated flow diagram. So create a shopping cart page, also display cart page cart summary in the right hand side. Also in the bottom add an option for coupon. Okay, so let's see how does it work. So you can see here it's pretty good in that way. So it has created the shopping cart with all the details. The cart summary is on the right hand side and also the coupon code. There is a coupon code, the prompt which we have entered here. So you can see it's wonderful in that way. So thank you for watching this video regarding the generative AI to web UI or the wireframe, and let me know if you have any question regarding this video. Thank you.